Hi, everyone. Welcome to week 4. I can't believe it's week 4 already. This class is flying by. So excuse my informal appearance, but I just got back from vacation. I hope all of you have had a chance to relax and find some time for yourselves as well this summer. I have started grading all of your papers, and I will, as always, get back to you individually with individual comments on your assignments. So far, the quizzes that I've graded have been very well done. The papers and videos have also been great. Thanks for everyone who stretched themselves a little bit and tried a video. I always think it's really cool to actually see you give me this information. Although your papers are excellent as well. So if you're not comfortable with the video, I totally get that. But it is nice to see some of you. Anyhow, this week for week 4, we're going to be talking about the causes of positive and negative behavior. We're going to identify different kinds of methods to support young children's development. And we're going to talk a little bit about the role of temperament and looking at the causes of problem behavior as they relate to temperament. So this week you are assigned to read chapter 9 in Positive Child Guidance, and that chapter is about the causes of positive and negative behavior. There are, again, supplemental optional materials. There is a really wonderful TED Talk. There's a video about strategies dealing with challenging behavior, kindergarten classroom management tips for positive consequences that are really great watches, and none of them are very long. So I hope you get a chance to watch all or some of those. Our post this week is going to be your definition of temperament. I want you to think about your temperament or the temperament of a young child you know. It could be your child, a child in your class, a niece or nephew, and either how does your temperament or their temperament influence how they interact with the world. You can, as always, do a regular written post. You're welcome to use Screencast-O-Matic like I'm doing right now, and I look forward to hearing from all of you. If you could try to have your initial post to the prompt early in the week to give your classmates and myself the time to respond to you and time for you to respond back. As I've said many times before, the earlier we can get started with our postings, the richer our conversation is. And know that your initial post to the prompt, your initial response to the prompt is due by midnight on Thursday. But I encourage you again to post early in the week after you've done doing your reading. This week's assignment is going to be to do some research. So you're going to look at the learning materials in week 4. So that's our chapter and then the optional videos. In addition, I'd like you to do some of your own research and pick either 3 articles or videos or a combination of 3 articles and videos on bullying as they relate specifically to early childhood. So that is anywhere from birth to grade 3 or age 8. Make sure that you cite and reference all of the articles and videos in your paper in APA format. So first, I'd like you to summarize the content of the articles and videos, and then think of yourself as the teacher and what techniques you could use in the classroom to help children understand what constitutes bullying behaviors. And how could you use those techniques in your classroom to prevent these behaviors? Again, you're welcome to write a paper or to do a video or a Prezi. Whatever technology you would like to use. I'm usually cool with any of it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will be happy to review it. And then you're also going to describe, this is your second assignment for week 4. You're going to describe a specific child and a negative behavior that they demonstrate. So again, this can be a child that you know, or this time you can make up a fictional child. Describe the behavior in details, what you would actually see when the behavior is observed. So not the child was angry, it would be the child was throwing blocks. So the actual physical behavior that you would observe. And what do you think the function of the behavior is? Why do you think the child's doing this? And then develop a plan for positive interventions to improve the behavior. Again, don't forget to think about the adult actions and the classroom environment. And I know we've talked about both of those. And be sure to cite your research using APA format. A couple pages is fine. And make sure, again, to connect what you're writing with the research that you've done. An option for this is use Powtoon to create an animated video of the interventions would be really cool. Again, your choice, how you would prefer to do the assignment. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You know that I am always happy to set up a time to speak with you if you have any questions. And I cannot believe we're in week 4 of this class already. So far, it's been fun. And I look forward to having discussions with all of you this week and to reviewing your assignments. Take care and have a great week.